Down into the void. Pull a little stick off, draw it across.
We're old school. We still have the.
Now, if that was a little bit deeper, or have a lot of fills in that, I'd use the cabinet scraper to pull the heat out. It's about 5 seconds. When that's done, I'll wipe the blade off. The cap back on. We're all safe. The blade is serrated edges so they're smooth. You can feel they won't scratch the surface. Set that on the surface. If you go before it or after it, you can chip it out because it's too hard. So I'll set it right on top. And then let the blade just do the work. I don't have to press hard at all. I just start shaving that down a little bit. Just taking out the material. Flip it over as a flat edge, so if I have a long board and it's got some warp in it a little bit, it takes off any other high spots. The other side of the blade has a cone, so I can take the stuff that was filled in there and not worry about it getting all filled up, take it out, and use it again and again. Once we've done that, we'll grab the Scotch-Brite pad. It comes with like a gray hand pad. Just knock off any high spots. Also take down the sheen surrounding that. If you feel that, it should feel pretty close to where it needs to be. And then over the top of that, I'll grab one of the appropriate colors that'll match and blend in for the mid-tone colors. It's a brush tip grainer. They're micro dyes with a lacquer finish, and just come right over the top of that. Finish it up.
Works well.
Not too bad?
Yeah.
You have 20 different colors that come in the set for the flooring kit, including